Bank reconciliation in Xero involves matching your bank statement lines with transactions entered into Xero to ensure your records are accurate. Here's a concise guide to performing bank reconciliation in Xero. Log into Xero. Access your Xero account and navigate to your organization's dashboard. Access bank accounts. From the dashboard, click on the accounting menu and select bank accounts. Import bank statements. If not already set up, you can import bank statements manually or set up bank feeds for automatic updates. For manual import, click Manage Account and select Import a Statement. Reconcile items. Click on Reconcile next to the bank account you want to reconcile. Xero will display a list of bank statement lines on the left and suggested matches from your Xero transactions on the right. Match transactions. For each bank statement line, confirm if the suggested Xero transaction is correct. If correct, click OK to reconcile. If Xero doesn't suggest a match, find the correct transaction or create a new one by clicking Find and Match or Create. Create transactions. If a transaction isn't recorded in Xero, you can create it directly from the reconciliation screen. Select the appropriate category, add details, and save. Discuss discrepancies. If there are discrepancies, investigate the differences by checking your bank statement and Xero records. Complete reconciliation. Continue matching all transactions until your bank statement lines are reconciled. The goal is to match every line to ensure the statement balance and Xero balance are equal.